Hi, everybody. It's me, Walter. Ever wonder how people make stupid money on TikTok? Would it surprise you if I said it could be done with zero ad spend? Listen, I'm talking 10K, 30K, even 50K a month, and all without paying a single cent for ads. Today, let's talk making money with TikTok organic dropshipping. And for all the Patrick Batemans and Elizabeth Holmeses out there, we're going to be looking into the dark methods, the manipulative Machiavellian techniques to bend TikTok to your will. But stick around, because if you skip out, you'll miss out. We've got the goods for all you Slytherin types looking for the dark social media marketing arts that others shy away from. But you'll have to stay to the end to get that dirt. Here's a quick breakdown for our e-commerce newcomers. TikTok organic dropshipping is when you create a TikTok account and post short videos about the products you stock on your online store. The idea is to blow up organically and drive free traffic straight to your store. If you don't have an online store, by the way, just click the link below to get one for free. Sure, it sounds simple enough, but here's the truth. Most people fail because they treat TikTok like a catalog and they don't understand that it takes storytelling mastery. Now let's discuss the Bateman Slytherin dark arts money method. The whole idea is to hack into people's dopamine centers, and all without showing your hand. You want to blend into the TikTok landscape without veering to a sort of TV commercial style. Luckily, a lot of the best techniques for promoting products match up with the storytelling techniques that a TikTok video would use. It just happens at the super speed of modern short form content. The main structure is hook, action, and payoff. For the hook, you need an interesting attention grabber to pull viewers in. For action, you need an interesting middle to hold their attention, and the payoff needs to be some sort of ending that awards them with a dopamine hit for sticking around. And that dopamine hit is then going to get wrapped up with your viewers' perception of the product on screen, getting them emotionally closer to it. And the kicker is that TikTok is going to put your content right where it needs to be. And if your video is done well, then you'll get your stuff closer to the people already interested in buying, and who are then going to feel like they found your stuff organically, as opposed to feeling like it was forced upon them. The best way to get an idea for how the hook structure works, what really works in that structure, and how to make eye-catching titles, and etc., is just to watch videos that have already been trending on TikTok. A good idea is just to search out high-trending commercial TikTok videos and just straight up rip from them. Try looking for product demos like TikTok made me buy it, reaction skits, before after glow ups. And the whole point is that if you do it right, then you're basically getting super effective advertising for free. Excluding, of course, the time and resources it took to make the videos. Point being, TikTok's algorithm is a super powerful tool for getting your stuff out there, and it's all for free. Listen, not all products work here. What you need are products that are visually satisfying, products that can easily get that wow factor going in like 10 seconds or even less. These products need to fit a lifestyle. They need to do more than just satisfy a simple need. Just to give you some quick examples, you can try portable blenders. A video of somebody whipping up a smoothie in a car could really get some traction. You could try inflatable loungers and show them being set up in like 5 seconds. Glowing LED gadgets, that's a pretty good product to work with. For example, you could make videos of your bedroom turning into a nightclub. Anyway, keep watching, because in a second I'll show you how to shortcut all this without that trial and error that gets in the way. Keep in mind that it's not just about what you post, but how often you post and what exactly you post. Here's a strong functional blueprint. Make 3 posts a day, 1 viral skit, 1 product demo, and 1 video based around a trending sound. What background audio clips people use in their videos now plays a huge role in TikTok's algorithm. Focus on raw and perfect videos. It loves realness as opposed to overproduction. And if you take away only one thing from this video, it's that consistency beats talent. Even boring videos go viral when you post every day, and especially when you make little improvements with each video. Now imagine making videos that are not boring and being consistent. Boom, baby, there you have it. Your key to success. Alright, you're probably thinking, sounds awesome, but building the perfect TikTok store, profile, bio, link, content, etc., it all sounds kind of exhausting. Where do I even get the videos to post? And it is a lot of work, unless you implement one secret shortcut. Here's the sauce nobody's telling you. If you're using Sellvia, there's a tool inside the dashboard called TikTok plus Insta Store, and it's an absolute game changer. They build your TikTok profile for you, full brand identity, links, bios, everything optimized. They load your profile with ready to sell, top performing products already tested for TikTok trends. And it looks like you built it from scratch, but it's turnkey. If you want to run ads later or even sooner, Sellvia also gives you ready-made TikTok video ads, Instagram Reels, Facebook content, everything. and it's all designed to grab attention and convert instantly. No expensive agencies, no 6-month learning curve. Links in the description if you want in. And fast movers will win here because TikTok organic dropshipping is only going to get more competitive. That's the full breakdown. Now you know the real dark method. Hit the dopamine center with hooks and payoffs. Post like a creator, not like a TV advertiser. Stack products that look like magic on video and shortcut the boring stuff with Sellvia's TikTok and Insta store. Hit the link in the description. Get your brand ready for that organic traffic while the going's easy. TikTok isn't slowing down anytime soon and neither should you. Anyway, stay savvy. Catch you in the next one.